contest, the Pandavas and the sons of Dhritarashtra learned the use of arms and archery first from Kripacharya and then from Drona. A public display of their expertise was held. Arjuna showed his skill in using all the arms, especially in archery. This again caused Duryodhana's envy to flare up. Suddenly, there was a new entrant in the arena. Karna challenged Arjuna. This delighted Duryodhana. He welcomed Karna and Karna prepared to face him. Kunti recognized him and fainted. Kripacharya said that only an equal could engage in combat with a prince. Duryodhana immediately declared and crowned Karna the king of Anga. But just then Adhiratha, the charioteer, came in and called Karna his son. This made Bhima laugh at Karna, which caused Karna to feel very hurt. Duryodhana stood up for Karna. This was perhaps one good thing done by Duryodhana and made Karna feel devoted to him for life. Guru Dakshina. Once the pupils were fully trained, it was time for Drona to ask for his Guru Dakshina, the right of the teacher to demand a payment from his students. Drona asked for the capture of his old enemy, King Drupada. The Pandavas carried out the mission successfully and presented Drupada as a captive before Drona, who took away half his kingdom. This made them equals, settling the old score between them. But it made Drupada very angry. Meanwhile, the courage and strength and the good qualities of the Pandavas were recognized by everyone in the kingdom. Since Yudhishthira was the eldest of King Pandu's sons and was known for his kindness and honesty, he was declared as the successor. This upset Dhritarashtra, who was hoping that his son Duryodhana would be considered. It also made Duryodhana hate the Pandavas even more. The lacquered palace, Lakshagriha. Duryodhana envied Bhima's strength, Arjuna's skill, and the love of the people for Yudhishthira and the Pandavas. Dhritarashtra, blind and beguiled, favored Duryodhana even when he knew that what he said and did was wrong. Shakuni and Karna gave Duryodhana evil and bad advice. Duryodhana laid a plot with his brothers, maternal uncle Shakuni and Karna, to send the Pandavas to stay at Varnavata. He persuaded his father to talk to Kunti and the Pandavas to go there. He sent a minister, Purochana, in advance to get a palace specially built at Varnavata for them. It was made of lacquer and was full of things that would catch fire very easily. Vidura warned Yudhishthira in time and sent a miner to dig a secret underground passage for them to escape. And Yudhishthira told Kunti and his brother to act as if they had known nothing. The escape. Purochana waited and watched, thinking the Pandavas knew nothing. The Pandavas spent the daytime hunting in the forest, but actually they were coming to know the routes in the forest very well. They kept watch at night. They watched for signs and knew when the time was right to act. Kunti gave a feast that night. Bhima set fire to the palace at midnight, and as the fire started, the Pandavas escaped through the hidden passage. Purochana died in the fire, along with some others. People collected and, thinking the Pandavas were dead, they mourned. The news reached Hastinapur, where a great show of sorrow was made, and the funeral rites of the Pandavas were carried out. They moved through the darkness, with Bhima and the others carrying Kunti when she was tired. They met Vyasa Muni on the way, and he consoled them and told them to go, disguised as Brahmanas, to Ekachakrapura,
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.